Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to link your bank account to Robinhood. So first open the Robinhood app and sign in. Then go to your account or profile settings and find the transfer or add money section. From there, select the option to connect a bank account. And depending on the available option, you may be able to search for your bank and securely sign in or enter your bank details manually. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the connection, and if Robinhood requires verification, then complete the requested steps before attempting a transfer. Once your bank account is successfully linked, you can use the available transfer option to move money between your bank and Robinhood. Then make sure the bank account belongs to you and that the information you provided is accurate. So that was how to link your bank account to Robinhood. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.